This house is my biggest investment.
Bob, you've got 15 minutes to get the kids to school. Love you, bye.
And I don't need any more problems. So when I learned that water damage to my house is more likely to occur than theft and fire combined, I got a Flow. Flow learns my home's water use and detects leaks anywhere in my house, no matter how small, even behind my walls. And even before I have a leak, Flow always checks for stuff that leads to leaks to help prevent them, like high water pressure and freezing temperatures. Every night, Flow automatically checks for leaks to give me peace of mind that my house is leak-free. This morning, it reported we have a small drip somewhere in my house, and I have a good idea where to check. Obviously, my son knows how to brush his teeth, and obviously, he's not the best at shutting off the water. After I tighten the handle, I can run a health test to make sure I have no other leaks. Now, Flow tells me definitively my home is leak-free again. I found my small drip, no more wasted water, and no more wasted money. I can also see what's happening with my home's water in real time. From here, I can see my water pressure, temperature, and that water is in use right now, 2.5 gallons per minute. Probably a shower.
She does this every morning.
Jennifer, let's go out of the shower.
Just 5 more minutes, Dad. What? Nice, Dad. Not cool.
Hey, don't laugh at your sister. You got 5 minutes.
What? Not fair.
And Flow is proactive. So, if the pipe bursts while I'm away, Flow detects it and shuts off the water automatically, preventing the catastrophic damage.
Morning, Bob.
Hey, Dwayne, how's it coming along?
It's getting there.
Dwayne had a busted water connector while he was out of town. $100,000, and 6 months later, he's finally moving back in, all because a $5 part went bad. He said he had sensors on the ground to detect leaks, but what good is leak detection if he can't stop the water? In my house, Flow would have detected the burst and shut off the water automatically. Crisis averted. Flow protects my house from these situations 24/7, whether I'm home or not. And because water damage is such a big problem, I can even get a discount on my homeowner's insurance. With all these savings on insurance and water, my Flow paid for itself. Ready for school, guys?
Yeah.
Kevin, did you forget to turn the water off again?
Sorry, Dad. Sorry doesn't turn the water off. Again.
Can deal with that later. Time for school.